In this video, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful features that opens up endless possibilities, the callmake.com webhook block. This feature is an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to call external webhooks. For example, in this video, we'll ask the user to fill out a form, and we'll add a row to a Google Sheet. This is super useful for lead generation or data collection, for instance. Even though we'll walk you through the steps of using make.com in this video, I also recommend checking out tutorials on Make itself. When combined with your LouiseBot, the possibilities are endless. By the end of this video, you'll know how to trigger automated tasks by calling a make.com webhook. Let's get started. After the welcome message, let's insert a delay block with a 2-second delay to give the user time to read the first message. Next, let's add a show a form block. Add a title to organize your blocks. We'll create a form asking for the user's first name, last name, and email address. Then let's add a message block to thank the user. Now head over to Make, click on Webhooks, add a webhook, and click on Redetermine Data Structure. Copy the URL of your webhook and go back to LouiseBot. Now let's use our callmake.com webhook block. Add a title. Paste the URL of your webhook, select Add a Row in Google Sheets, and then choose the 3 properties: first name, last name, and email. Use LouiseBot's functions to map the values entered by the user in the form and send them to the webhook properties. Finally, let's wrap up the bot with a message and properly close the conversation. You'll remember we clicked on Redetermine Data Structure in Make. So Make is waiting for the first request to understand what properties we'll be sending. Let's use the live preview to send that first request. Ready? Great. Now go back to Make. Let's now configure the webhook in Make so it adds a new row in our Google Sheets by inserting the values that the user entered in the form. We tell Make where our Google Sheets are, and you can see that all the properties we sent are now available. All you need to do is specify which value goes under which column, and the hard part is done. Now save it, and let's test it out. As you can see, our Google Sheets just has 3 columns: first name, last name, and email. Let's use the live preview again to send a request. Perfect. Our rows are now automatically added to the Google Sheet. Awesome. That's it for this tutorial on the callmake.com webhook block. As you can see, it's a really powerful way to set up automated tasks. In this example, we added a row to a Google Sheet, but the possibilities are endless. Stay tuned for the next videos, where we'll put other features of LouiseBot into practice.